This is Robert from the CIA Ops. I'm here to show you how to get started creating a demo site with SharePoint. So what we've got here, we've logged into Office 365 and I've just gone to a normal team site anywhere. Now first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subsite. So that is the site into which I'm going to basically place my demo. So I go to site contents on the left hand side. I then scroll down to subsites and I click the button for a new subsite. So I will call this demo, and we're going to have the URL also to be demo. I'll select the team site, so that gives me all the options to start with. I'll use the same permissions, but if you want, you can create unique permissions. You can also use the top link bar from the parent site if you want, but don't want to do that. So we just go create. So what that's going to do is that's going to create a completely clean new website underneath, in which I can start customizing and basically making my demo site to start showing customers. So in a matter of moments, here we are. So this is it up and running. You'll notice that is a pretty basic site. I don't get a lot of options here. So the first thing I'll do is obviously get rid of this getting started. So simply click the button there and that will remove it from my page. Just confirm that's okay. And then we'll see a page which is a bit more clean. So the next thing to do is we want to probably add some apps. So to do that, we need to go to site contents, and we can then go in and select to add a few apps. So at the moment, I've just got a document library, and a microfeed basically. So I'm going to add an app. So what I'll go in there and just show you how to do is to add a calendar. Obviously, you can add as many different apps as you want. Best to add as many as you can, obviously, to show the customer what works best. But if we scroll down, we find that there's a calendar app, so I'll select that and it will ask me what I want to call that app in this site. So I'm going to call that calendar. That will create that app for me and then place it in this demo team site, as you see over here on the right. So if I click on calendar, you can now see that I have a calendar on my site, and you can repeat that for all the apps that you want on your demo site. Now if you want to, you can obviously go in here and you can click the link here to edit the link. So this will allow you to change the navigation quickly and easily, and up the top here you can also do the same to add some any of the links you want up the top. Now if I want to customize the look and feel of this page pretty quickly, so I want to put the calendar maybe on the front page, I go into the top right and I hit edit, and then what it'll put me into is into the edit mode. So what I'm going to do here is basically select this, go insert, and I am then going to add a web part. So the web part you'll see here is the calendar, but you can scroll down through a list of many other web parts. So I'll now add the calendar web part at the top there to the page, and it now puts that in. I simply save the page in the top right to say that I'm done, and now you'll see that is displayed on the page. And again, you can go through, customize this, you can remove what's displayed on the page, make whatever it makes sense to you and the customer when you're doing it. Now what we can also do to quickly change the way that this site appears is we go to the cog in the top right, select that, and you'll see one of the options here is change the look. So if I select that, I can then go in and I can customize quickly and easily what the colors that my site use and the basic layout. So at the moment I'm on blue, so for example maybe if I change it to the next one across here, which is orange. Okay, so I can easily select that theme. You'll see that I have the option here to drag and drop an image. So I can drag and drop an image and make that my background. I can change the color scheme fairly easily, and also can change the layout, but I'm happy with that, so I'll go to try it out. That'll then apply it to my site, give me an overview. At any stage I can roll back by going to the start over. You can always go back at any time and you can change the look and the feel again by running basically the same wizard. So this will give me a preview of my site that is built for me, and then it'll allow me to select whether I keep that. So now the site's displayed, I'm pretty happy with that, so I'll go yes to keep it, and you'll see that that will now apply to the site and I'll have a completely different look and feel there. So if I go back to home, you'll now see that obviously it's all in orange. So that's how you can change the look and the feel quickly. The last thing I'll show you how to do is to change this icon in the top left. So again, you go into the cog, you select site settings, and then up here in site settings you will see here title, description and logo under look and feel. If I select that, I can then go in and I can then upload an image from my computer, or I can do it from SharePoint. So I can upload an image firstly to SharePoint and then change what this logo appears to. So it's really as simple as that. So again, that was a quick overview on how you can go in and quickly customize the look and the feel and create a demo site that you can use to show customers the benefits of SharePoint. Hope you've got some benefit out of that. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Director@ciaops.com. Thank you for watching.